So here's what's super awesome. Here's what's super awesome. Your doors from Nieu are gonna come with all the hinge boring, and they're gonna come with these soft close hinges. Now when you put them on, you wanna make sure you're putting them on totally square. So I put them in like this. I use my square to hold it up against it like this. And then when you put the screws in, don't over tighten them, okay? Because you don't want it to strip out the area for the screw. So just tighten them nice and gently. Okay, you've got it. Now let's hang it, okay? This isn't awkward at all, is it? So now it's time to install our door, and I know you're excited about installing your hardware, but don't you dare. Wait on doing it until it's all done, because there's gonna be some adjusting and your hardware is gonna be in the wrong spot. Okay, so I'm going to, if you don't have an extra set of hands, I'm gonna use what's called like a trigger clamp, where I'm gonna put this board down here. I'm gonna use this clamp. It's gonna act as my second set of hands. Go, 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 go. Okay. And my door is going to be able to kind of rest on this while I'm installing it, okay? So to install it, see how now it can kind of rest on that, and that kind of makes it easier? All right, let me get you a little bit closer for this next step here. Okay, so see, we've got this hinge right here. This is what's gonna wrap around on this face frame. All right, I'm going to start with the top, but I'm not gonna screw it too tight. Start on the top. Okay, making sure that it's nice and flush on there. Now I'm gonna do the bottom. Nice of you to watch. Why don't you come and help, huh? Okay. All right. Now the nice thing about hinges is that they usually come with some adjustments. So there's some adjustments where when you screw this screw right here, this is gonna make the door come in and out. This screw right here can make it kind of move out and back. So those different adjustments can kind of help get your door exactly right. Come closer and look at these a second. So these screws help you adjust the door. This one, when you screw it this way, the whole hinge moves a little bit this way, to the left and to the right. So that's gonna help get the door closer to each other or further. This one helps change like the depth of it. So you can kind of adjust and get it perfect once it's already on. Okay, and after all my adjustments, these guys, okay, they're soft closing. Wait for it, wait for it, wait for it. These are now all exactly perfect.